Hi folks, this is another tutorial from Lothar from Germany. Here, this time I will show a full workflow how to make a panel like this, a picture perfect part in 3D as a request on our Linux CNC channel. What we're gonna do here, I made a little video. This is what we're gonna do, something like this, how to show a workflow to get this done by open source. I'm still on Linux Ubuntu 10.04. It's 2014 the year, so it's a very old system, but never change a running system. I have lots of files open here, Linux CNC, and also Blenders is open. So I will maybe run in some trouble with all using GLX here for OpenGL. So let's start over, and first part is QCAT to get the shape, the basic shape. QCAT is a open 2D construction tool. Here you need to if you don't have experience, just go through it. It's basically like AutoCAD. I can give it here directly the measurements 14 by 60. I will go just a rectangle. With the shift you can move the screen here. Now the basic shape is I have a radius here of 40, and I will move it in the middle. Here you can see where you are. I go at 30 in the middle and 3 millimeters in. Now as the recording is limited, I need to move the screen here. This is our basic shape, so cut it out, edit, and the scissor. And now what we will cut is this one, and at the cross where it meets the other thing, just walk around and delete the things you don't need. Oh, there is a fault. So unselect this and delete. Here we need to do once more. Edit, cut the scissor here and here, and cut it out. Okay, so I already have one open here. This is the part we will use. Just the same, just walk it around. Okay, save it as a DXF and go on to the next step. Don't save it here. Once more, I tried to find a picture in YouTube to get a nice intro. I will run this once more. It's one of this panel here. So next step is HiggsCAT. It's also open source. I put it in here in my normal frame. I use here 0.18 as basic, but I have modified it, all those very nice features here. As you see, there's also HiggsCNC inside as a plugin. So just open our DXF. There it is. Hit entry and extrude the part. 5 millimeters is okay. There we have our part. Now, as I want here to round it, I mark, let's go up there. No, I need to be inside. Pick edges. You can pick the face and blend it, but as I said, I have lots of things open here. I need to go around and do it manual. Edge blend 2 millimeters. Edge blend 2 millimeters. Oh, it was the wrong edge, or yes. Go back. So just walk around and give it a nice shape. as you like. 2 millimeters, 2 millimeters. So, okay, you know what I mean. And hit the solid, save solid. Here I save it now to the blend file. Here's already one inside. Make sure that, maybe I can grab this, that the solid file to save is to STL, and here it's STL at the end. Then save it. I will cancel it here. I already made one. So now I get it new, not saving. I will, for the shape to mill, I will re-import my DXF. Here it is. I will split it up, mark it, right button, split sketch, and now we have our lines. Mark the lines down. Why is it not working now? As I said, I have a lot of things open. Sometimes it is just not working. There's once more, I need to re-import, split sketch, and mark. Something is hiding me here to mark the sketch. Yeah, let's hit escape if something goes out. No marking of the sketch. Cannot pick anything. There we go. Shift will mark the next one. Okay. So we mark around only the shapes we need. Right click and make to sketch. Now we have a sketch of this part. Here, let's do it on the other side also too. Unmark it here, mark here. Hit Control and mark the next one. I always follow the line as I like to mill. If I do something like that, make to sketch, yeah. You can, from the 3D part, you can mark the face and make a sketch of the face, but it will not work here as there are too many. Like here, the machine is still running and Blender is also running, so it has always all the same graphic level. It's will not simply not work here at making of this video. In the lifetime it will work. So mark the sketch, hit profile. I will walk right, conventional. Let's give it a roll radius of 4. Here we'll offset this one here, and also this one will be 0. It's just I will show you now what I mean with that. Let's give it 500 and hit OK. Hit the G code. Let's see if my G code is there. You see the G code is on the line, and I have a nice little G42 that will tell my machine to use the offset of the cutter in the file, in the tool table. Here, okay, let's go here. I will show you what these numbers are here, but I have a different video for that. Extend before start. I will give it here 2 millimeters. Hit OK. Just make a G code once more, and you will see here now I have a 2 millimeter line outside, and you can also get away from the part here. Let's give it here lead outline 5 millimeters. Hit OK. Just go G0 and it should work. See here, it's 5 millimeters, so the cutter moves away from the part. Now get the other side. If you get in trouble with your shape of the, you can go profile, sketch, and here you see it's open. You can get here, or if it's bad, you can reinforce the lines here. Okay, this is how we do. Let's do the other part also. Sketch and get the profile of it, right? Conventional 4 millimeters. It will set it up here, and let's move 500 here. Well, hope now it will fail. No, it does not fail. No, I would like to have it fail to show you how to do it, how to fix it. But it's sometimes when it should fail, it's working. So okay, as it fails, I said just go to profile, sketch, and here order, reinforce it. So we have our G code. Save the G code to a file you would like. Oh, let's go to and save it here live. Where is Linux CNC, HiggsCAT, Linux CNC, and C files, and I will save it here to the master. Let's say video test.ngc, so it can files with test ngc. So there we go. Okay, this is, we are now done with HiggsCAT. File, exit, no saving. Now here it is. Oh, I would like to have now shown once more. This is the part we're gonna make, and once more the video. Where it is, here's the video, just to do it, how to see. Maybe YouTube grabs one of those pictures. Okay, so this one we don't need. Now go in to our machine file here. I have already opened the tool table to show you what. Here's tool number 1, 3 millimeter. Oh, did we select the tool? Hopefully we did. Maybe, but it always takes the first one. Here's the 3 millimeter. I will now change this to 4. Oh, that was wrong. Here, 4 millimeters, and save. I will start a machine. It's a simulation machine. So, and load our G code. You need to reload the tool table also. Just reload tool table and open the file we made. We set video. Jesus, where we were, with test ngc. This was the file we chose. Here is our file. Let's see if it grabs tool number 1. There it is. So let's run it. I run it here to see this red line, to show you how it does effect if you use the tool table. You see here the part is it's now 32 millimeters like is the tool pass. So now, as it has finished, I will change. The cutter is 3 millimeter, so I go here 3 and save my tool table, reload the tool table, and reload the program, the G code. Now you will see here I get a nice offset here. This is the effect of using EMC cutter radius compensation. So you can mill exact your part and rough with only the other thing is here in your G code you see the shape of the drawing. That's the benefit of all of this part. So we're done with that one here. To show you how the effects are, I will now close this and once more show you the picture and the video we're gonna save. So okay, now we go to Blender. Here I have Blender. cancel. Just it's now 2.65, I guess. Let's bring it. Try to bring it inside the video, the frame here, to show you what I am doing. Oh yeah, this looks very good. Okay, so get rid of mark the cube, X delete, and now file import STL. As I have here my STL, left right click, import STL. You see here is a very big part because it imports the measurements as inches. So I mark here, right click the part and just scale. I hit S, 0.04 I will go, and there's our part. Here we have no material inside here now. This is just the basic part as we did it. And file import. No, append. I will now get a material. Just say bare oak dot blend material bare oak, left right, and link the material. Now here it's should go a little more to see here the effects what I'm doing. Material, and I will, do I have selected? No, here I now need to select this material and get the bare oak to it selected. Now we will have an empty here that shows us this long line where the direction of the wood will be. I will mark this and grab it a little down. Here do we have a light ball? Yes, we have a light ball. Grab it also down. Now move with 0 to see if the camera, where the camera is. 7 is the top. I will move the camera a little more inside. You can also, let's do it that way. I move in view, hit Control Alt 0, and we have the camera there where we would like it. And with F12 we will have a nice part, as you see here. This is basically how to do it. You need to get inside all the system as you want. I will show you once more one thing more. Let's go to 1, mark this one here, the empty, and this one says where is the center of the wood structure. So grab it here. I will move it down here. 5 is the auto mode. Grab it to the center. Is it shift? Yeah, here. Rotate with R so we get exact mode, and grab it to one of the edge here. So let's do another thing. Now you will see here, as you see here, you can affect where these lines are. Now the center of the tree that the wood is cut out is on this edge. I will move it to the middle, grab here in the middle, and do once more a picture. Now you see here, there you can affect the shape and how does it look like. This is a very good effect. Where can you get the material from? Material can get from, let's open up Firefox and say here Blender material repository, and there you have all the materials. Just enter here wood, and you are in shape where all those woods are. Oh, it traps here. Just see here, lots of woods to do here. This is just bare oak I use, and lots more to do here. Venture You can get bare oak and can also the color. Here is the color you may